Hey everyone, today we are harvesting potatoes. They are ready to go, and I have a special helper today, Raven. What are we harvesting?
Potatoes.
Yeah, potatoes, aren't we? Are these the first ones we pulled out?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're little baby.
Can I grab one?
Sure. And we'll put it back in the bucket. We're gonna pull them out. Okay. You want to pull this one out with me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's pull it out. Oh boy.
Ah, there's potatoes.
There's potatoes.
I'll grab one.
You can grab it and put it in the bucket.
I put.
Now, I grew these. Oops, it's okay. We just shake it and try and find some more. Ooh, big one. We grew these in nothing but rotted, decayed straw with about an inch of topsoil on the top and a little bit of chicken fertilizer and rabbit fertilizer. They actually did pretty quick. These have only been in the ground for about 8 weeks. Well, let's shake it and see what we got, baby girl. Oh, we got potatoes. Hey, grab the potatoos. Here, I'll put it back in there. Yeah, 8 weeks. The turnaround was ridiculous. These should be pretty good. Baby potatoes. That's right. Oh, pull that one off. Right there. Ugh, there you go. Put it in there. Good girl. Let's see. I gotta dig down a little deeper. See if we can. Oh, look! Look at that one. That's huge. Raven, Raven. Is that a big potato? There you go. Throw it in. Woo!
Ah, I found one.
I see that. You're getting ahead of Daddy a little bit. About $5 worth of seed potatoes, and we've already made that back. If I was to buy that at a grocery store.
Oh look, there's a big one.
That is a big one. Perfect. But pull this one. Let's see what else is on there. Oh, grab the little ones. Even the little ones are going to be tasty. But we got a lot of good-sized potatoes. Hold on, hold on. Let's see what else we got. There might be more in here. You never know. Gotta dig down. And that straw, it's only been 8 weeks, and it's perfectly decomposed. It's gone. This box is going to be primed and ready for something else to be grown in. Pretty cool. You want help?
Ah,
There's a potato! Oh!
And there's a big one!
It is a big one.
I got a big one.
Okay, put it in. Oh, it's okay. Let's get these off of there. Let's shake her clean. Let's see what we got. We got, oh, look at that one!
Ah!
It's so big!
Hey, we'll find a big one too.
Okay, stay over here, baby.
Wow.
Hey, don't get ahead. We still got plenty. We still got plenty to do.
Okay, we're working the potato.
Oh yeah, the kitty wanted to see too.
And yes, baby. Can I pet it?
You can pet the kitty.
She's so cute.
I'm gonna need a larger container. Oh, it's a good problem to have.
There's a big one.
Yes, it is. Keep pulling them out. We'll see what we got.
I got a baby one.
Oh. Put it in. What? Oh, Raven, Raven, look at that potato. Show it to the camera. Go look over the camera. Look how big that potato is. It's huge. Here, come on. Give it to Daddy. I'll put it in the. Here, just give it to me. There you go. It's huge. Itty bitty one. Don't want to waste any of them. I'm definitely gonna have to go through here again and see if we've missed anything, because it's so easy to miss a potato. And you know, I may not want to do potatoes again in this box, but if I let them sit, I'm gonna have volunteer potatoes, guaranteed.
I got little baby potatoes.
You got little baby potatoes? Okay, throw it in. Oh. Here, put it right there so you can get some more in there. Yeah, the turnaround was ridiculous. Baby red potatoes, 8 weeks, and they've already died back. It's amazing. The only thing better than pulling potatoes out of the ground is pulling carrots, which we've got plenty more to do on that too. Oh, pretty cool. What we got in there? Oh, look at that one, Raven. Yeah.
And look at that one.
Oh, Yes, son.
I got a big one.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get my fork out
Oh, look.
to
There's a
go
baby
through
one.
everything because I
Hey, look,
guarantee I've
there's a
missed some.
baby one.
Oh, little baby one. Oh, look at that one.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, be gentle with it. There's another one. Let's see here. Got little
That's
ones?
so cute.
They are cute.
And a baby.
They are babies.
Hmm.
All right, let's see here. What else we got in here? Oh,
I got
you got a big one?
a big one. Look.
Oh, pretty cool.
Oops.
Oh, boy. Let's see.
What's the kitty doing? It's
Kitty's just watching. Keep pulling yours out. The teeny tiniest of them. Oh, you got another one.
There's a big one.
It's a big one.
Look.
Pretty cool. You're good at pulling potatoes.
They're so cute.
Yeah, potatoes are one of those easy ones. It's an easy harvest every time. Just make sure you thoroughly water about twice a week. You don't want them to dry out. They don't do very well if with inconsistent watering. You got another one? Pretty cool.
What kitty? What kitty?
Yeah, I'm getting down to some of the straw and the hay that hasn't quite rotted away yet, but that's going to be perfect for planting something else in here.
There's another one.
Another one. There we go. You see it? Hey, hey, look, go with the kitty cat. The kitty saw it too.
Kitty, is that sour too?
Yep, no. Pull some more. We got plenty more to pull, baby.
Kitty, don't.
It's okay.
Don't get me mad.
Come on, help Daddy. Oh. Oh God, yeah, I'm actually really happy with the consistency of the soil, even after potatoes. It looks really good. Nice and loose. Lots of organic material still left in here. Very happy with it. Oh, look at those. Grab them all. You got lots over there, don't you?
A big one.
A big one. That's right. We like the big ones, don't we? They're going to be
A big one
tasty.
again.
They're going to be tasty?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, there's the other one.
Let's see if she missed any over here. Oops.
Oh, look, there's a big one.
It is a big one.
Oh, look, that baby.
Oh, almost missed that one. There you go, put that one in.
Ah!
Whoa.
Ah!
Perfect. We got a pretty decent haul so far. Yeah.
Daddy, you don't have any potatoes. I'll get on my swing set.
Okay, you get on your swing set. Daddy will harvest the last of the potatoes, okay?
Oh.
Swap back around over here, see what we got left.
Oops.
We still got a few plants to go, but it's not bad. The player and a swing set. Perfect. Perfect. And there goes my helper. Oh. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go through here again with a pitchfork. Very, very carefully. The skins on these are still very, very soft. Just even a fingernail will scratch the skin clean off. Oh boy. Just absolutely no work to grow these guys. $5 in hay, one single bale of hay. Oh, just the bare minimum of soil to go on top. They're doing perfect. I mean, this is great. 8 weeks, just consistent watering, decent amount of compost. It's surprising. I swipe my hand through the dirt and I'm just finding more and more. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, my daughter's over there catching butterflies now. Perfect. Look at this. Oh, God. Last one. Let's see what we got left going on. I am pretty pleased with this. There's It's just, I have enough time left to actually put more potatoes in here if I wanted to. I probably won't. I'll do something different. It's always nice to change up the pace. And I've got a few more boxes of potatoes left yet. So I'm not too worried about not getting any more potatoes for the year. But, pretty decent harvest. I'll have to weigh it, but if I was going to say anything, I'd say probably about 12 pounds of potatoes. Look at those. That's Jesse. Have a good one.